Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you might have seen a lot of my architecture related videos where I show you all what I do in a day of an architecture student kind of video, or like just tell you guys about what happens in this field. I wanted to do something related to it but not make it too boring, because I understand that a lot of my audience are also not architecture students. So I wanted to make something interesting. So there was this video idea that popped up in my mind like just a few days ago, and I felt like I should make this video. So I mean, designers have clients, right? So let's assume for this particular video I have a very famous client and I'm going to be designing a room for that client. Now, that can be someone who might never even know that I designed some room for him or her, and like they will never approach me, but who cares? Let's assume like I have a client and I show you guys how I actually design a particular space. So I'll also put a disclaimer here that I am not teaching anyone anything. I'm just showing you guys how I do it. Just take you through the process, and you guys can decide whether you want to approach it that way if you're ever doing it, or make your own ways to approach it, because there's nothing right and wrong in design. Now let's come back to choosing a client. So basically when I thought of choosing a client, I was like, कौन होगा वो पहला इंसान जिसके लिए मैं रूम डिज़ाइन करूँगी? कौन? This is so I was like, I should definitely design a room for BTS, or at least someone from BTS. And I was like, okay, let's go with Mangne, that's Jungkook, and let's design a room for him. Because I remember I was watching this Run BTS episode where they had this specific collaboration with IKEA or IKEA, or however you spell it, and he was someone who was, all throughout the episode, I was just looking at how he was really involved in the process. So I feel he's like my current favorite member from BTS. I was like, okay, let me design a room for him. So what I have done here is that I've done some homework. Class के पहले जो homework करके आते हैं, जो मैं नहीं करती हूँ, वो मैंने इस video के लिए किया है. So I'm going to be telling you guys some steps before we really start designing a room on software. And it's something which is very, very easy and can be done on your phone. So I'm going to do it from my phone and show you guys how I'm doing it. Before you do anything, it's very important to understand who's your client. Now that we have Jungkook from BTS, who is my celebrity client, I'm going to be finding up things about him. Although I watch a lot of his content, but I haven't written it anywhere. Some of his characteristics that can be helpful when you design something. So what you can do is you can just take your notepad and note down things. What you feel about that person can influence the design. So here I have written in my notepad. I'll screen share you my notepad. So first of all, I have written that he likes painting, photography, drawing. So he's a person who has a personality type of ISFP. At least currently he says that he's an ISFP. And if I'm not wrong, people who are of this personality type are generally good at whatever field they do, and they are interested in a lot of things. They have a lot of hobbies and interests. So I feel like I should definitely give a space where he can pursue his hobbies. Secondly, he loves to play computer games. That's quite important. So I felt like I should give him a space where he can actually play games. And for the color palette, basically I decided the colors to be black, red and white, considering these are his favorite colors, and coincidentally they really go well with each other. So I've kept the color scheme for black, red and white. And in case you are thinking what are the dimensions of the room, well, I've kept it 4x4, 4x4 meter room with one window. It's the exact same floor plan as BTS designed for in their IKEA Run BTS video. I'll put the details in the description so you can go and watch that video and understand what kind of a space I'm aiming for. Now I know this space is really small, but it's enough for someone to have like a bedroom space, like just a chill space where you can rest and where you can have some XYZ kind of an activity. Okay, so I just realized कि इतनी देर से मेरी पानी की बॉटल यहाँ थी और वो वीडियो की शुरुआत से दिख रही थी. Now I'm going to be telling you guys the second step, that is making a mood board, creating the tone of how the design should be. So when I was thinking ki what kind of a design I should be aiming for this project, I felt like I needed something that really complemented Jungkook's style. तो जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि मैं Pinterest पे गई and I basically just made a mood board. मैंने और कुछ नहीं किया, बस मैंने अपने उससे, like if you can see my screen, I've just created a mood board and I have started adding images of how I imagined his room to look like. Really didn't think of a lot, anything specific, just went and started finding things that I felt like just screamed Jungkook ka room. That's it. I don't know. So I added these kind of room ideas. I've also added some images from their music video जिसमें Jungkook is in that particular room, and I remembered कि मैं जब वो देख रही थी तो I saw वो particular room, and क्योंकि जब मैंने अपना mood board देखा, some of the elements were relating, so I just added it in the mood board. I don't really know how I'm going to be combining it with the design, but let's see. Now let me take you all to the third step, that is just roughly planning the space. Now whenever you go to the software and you start designing, it's very hard when you don't know what you are aiming for. So you can just draw and decide कि furniture कैसे रहेगा and everything. And for this you don't need to be Picasso या M.F. Hussain कि भाई अच्छी drawing बनेगी तो ही बनाएंगे, बैठे रेस किए जा रहे हैं. Drawing ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि किसी को भी देख के समझ में आ जाए करना क्या है. So if you see my drawing on the screen, it's not that very great, but it's the most simplest drawing that I made to make myself understand कि मैं कैसे design रखना चाहती हूँ. And honestly speaking, there isn't much to explain. I've just tried to add the furnitures जैसे मुझे लग रहा है अभी मेरे दिमाग में कि अच्छा लगेगा. So yeah, these were the very simple 3 steps that I followed before I actually go on the 3D software. So this is my laptop, and a lot of you guys ask me which laptop is this. It's actually Dell Inspiron 5000 series. So yeah, this one is my laptop, and I'm just going to be showing you guys briefly how is my currently, how much I have worked on SketchUp, like as I have not started anything, but I have made a small plan and I've made a model for that, and now I'm going to be deciding ki how am I going to make the walls look like and everything. I've actually thought that I'll make it grey and white. So जो accent wall होगी जो आपको सबसे बीच में दिख रही है, that can be grey, dark grey or something, not very dark grey, because I have experience with walls which are black or very very dark grey. I don't like those walls, I don't know. जो बाकी walls होगी, let's keep that white, and also keep the furniture between black and white or something. I'm going to be finishing this design and see you guys in the next frame. I might not do it today because it's almost 2 o'clock at night and I shall rather sleep, otherwise my mom will get up and she'll be like, 2 बजे तुम रात में क्या कर रही हो खुशी, अभी जाओ, अभी सो जाओ. So I'm going to be finishing this design later. Maybe tomorrow I'll show you guys how it looks like. So it's the next day, and I'm going to be showing you guys my design now, the final finished rendered version of it. It took me around 4 hours to do it, considering my laptop glitched in a between, ऐसा थोड़ा बहुत ये बेचारा glitch करता रहता है, तो उसमें काफ़ी decent time है, मतलब ज़्यादा time नहीं लगा मुझे करने के लिए. And I'm going to be showing you guys how it finally looks like. Definitely design is something which becomes better as you keep working on it. So I mean if I give this design more time तो ये और अच्छा हो सकता है, but I think 4 घंटे 5 घंटे के हिसाब से ये काफ़ी enough मैंने कर दिया है इसको. I have used the color scheme डार्क ग्रे से थोड़ा कम कलर लिया मैंने. आई डोंट एक्जैक्टली नो द कलर का नेम, but I've used grey and white as the wall colors, and I have integrated red in furniture. So I wasn't really sure ki how do I integrate red in the design, but as I had discussed how red is actually very compatible with the color scheme, तो मैंने कोशिश किया कि I use it in the furniture. I was actually very skeptical about the flooring, so I tried in a lot of flooring options, and this was actually the last one I was okay with. There was another kind of wooden flooring I was going for. It was like on the mode of the lighter version of brown, but this one actually worked the best. And yeah, I mean, I was able to imagine what I was trying to portray ऐसे पहले mood board वगैरह देख के, and I have tried to put it in a design. There isn't much to say about it. I'm just waiting कि जंको किसके मुझे पैसे दे दे सारे, because मैंने अपना सारा काम कर दिया है, you know. I hope you guys liked this video. It's actually quite a short video. This was just a random idea in my mind, and I've tried to make a video out of it. If you guys like such kind of video, I'll make a series out of it, and I can take in a lot of K-pop artists or just a lot of people and create this kind of a series sort of something. And I guess later on it can be more interesting. I don't know what you guys think about it. Tell me in the comments. And that should be it for this video. I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Stay safe. Bye. Bye bye.